Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to return items on AliExpress. Alright, so let's begin. First open up your web browser and go to official website of AliExpress. After that, sign into your account and you will be on this home page. Now hover over your account tab and a drop-down menu will open up. Here, tap on My Orders option and you will be sent to your order history page. In here, you will find all of the orders you have placed so far. If you want to return the item, you will see a return button next to the item. Just click on the return button. After which, depending upon the product, you may have to verify why you actually want to return the product. So how you can do that, you can see on the website of AliExpress, it is written that if you have open dispute and it is waiting for you to return goods, please return goods in 10 days. In order to return your items, follow these steps. Step 1. Please pack the goods with original package to make sure that it won't be damaged in transit. Step 2. Check the return address on dispute detail page. Step 3. Mail the goods with the traceable logistics. Step 4. Submit tracking number and logistics information in the system. As you can see here, it will look like this. So you just have to follow these steps and you are done. So that's basically how you can return items on AliExpress. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.